Vlad. In this video, we will show you how to integrate zipBoard and Jira. Integrating Jira and zipBoard is fairly simple. To get started, make sure you are the project owner in zipBoard and the administrator in Jira. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, click on Manage Integrations. There are two types of integrations, Jira Cloud and Jira Server. You have to follow different steps for both. For the Jira Cloud, click on the link in the description to generate an API token. Give it a label of your liking and click on Create. Back in your zipBoard account, click on Jira Cloud Integration and add the Jira site and accept. Then you will need to enable the webhook, where you have to enter the email address and the API token. And you're done for the Jira server. Simply click on the server and enter your Jira URL, username, and password, then click Save. If you get unable to authenticate error, follow the link in the description to troubleshoot. Happy collaborating!